Have you ever had a bad hair day and felt like you had no idea how to fix it? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you 5 easy and quick hair hacks that will help you look your best in no time. Hi everyone, I'm here to show you 5 quick and easy hair hacks that will help you look your best on those bad hair days. Hack number 1, the first hack is to use a dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is a great way to absorb excess oil and give your hair some extra volume. All you need to do is spray it onto your roots and then brush it through your hair. Hack number 2, the second hack is to use a curling iron. Curling your hair is a great way to add some texture and volume to your hair. All you need to do is wrap small sections of your hair around the curling iron and hold it for a few seconds. Hack number 3, the third hack is to use a headband. Headbands are a great way to hide bad hair days. All you need to do is put the headband on and then style your hair around it. Hack number 4, the fourth hack is to use a ponytail. Ponytails are a great way to keep your hair out of your face and look put together. All you need to do is gather your hair into a high or low ponytail and secure it with an elastic. Hack number 5, the fifth and final hack is to use a hat. Hats are a great way to hide bad hair days and add some style to your look. All you need to do is find a hat that you like and put it on. So there you have it, 5 quick and easy hair hacks that will help you look your best on those bad hair days. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for 2 videos every day for free. Thanks for watching.